cellists, today we're going to be working on learning how to play the 1-octave A major scale on the cello. And the A major scale starts on the G string with the first finger. We are going to use our extended hand position for this one. We're going to be doing a forward extension because in A major we have 3 sharps. We have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So the forward extension will allow us to reach the C sharp on the G string and the G sharp on the D string. So we're just going to keep our hand in this position. When you're setting up this position, it is very important that your thumb stays behind the second finger. Normally when you're in the closed position, that's the non-extended position, the thumb is behind the second finger. And a common tendency for some students that are just learning the extensions is to leave the thumb there, which causes some tension in the hand and it makes it more difficult for the pinky to reach. Also remember, when you are doing the extended hand position, you're basically just kind of opening up your hand like a crab, and you leave the first finger back where it normally lives, and then everything else, the entire hand moves up. So you don't want to be thinking of trying to make a stretch with the second finger or with the pinky. The pinky is just simply not long enough to make that stretch. So we make the stretch with the first finger, everything else shifts up a half a step. So let's go through the fingering. We start with A on the G string, first finger, extend, and then a second finger on B, fourth finger on C sharp, open D, first finger on E, second finger on F sharp, fourth finger on G sharp, and then open A. Going down. Let's try that with a beat. We'll go half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure also when you're playing this scale that you don't have your elbow down by your side. That's going to make it also more difficult to get the extended hand position. And if that extended hand position is kind of new to you, just keep working on it and make sure that as you add fingers, you are putting your weight into the fingers that are playing. And it's actually even okay to lift up the first finger. You don't have to keep it on the string the entire time that you're playing the second finger and the fourth finger. Just make sure that it does stay in that stretched position so that when you move to the next string, it is going to be on the correct note. So good luck and happy practicing.